Now, I'm going to come to your claim, but then I'm going to come to your counterclaim. I need to go through everything that you're claiming for. You're claiming for 2 payments to Luke, correct? That's £800.
Yes.
£400 deposit and a subsequent £400, correct? No difficulty there. The next part of your claim is for £190. What's that for?
I took 2 days off because Luke was supposed to come and I would be there when he should have been there.
Imagine sometimes people promise to deliver you things and they don't show up. Do you think it's reasonable for people to sue when every time you order something online it doesn't show up within a reasonable period of time?
No, Judge.
Now, I now need to get to the next part of your claim. £750 for the second gardener to redo that rather pretty decking.
Yes.
Have you paid that gardener that £750?
No.
Haven't paid it?
No.
The next part is for £704.70 for materials for that second gardener, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Well, assuming you'd never been involved with him ever, never met him in your life, you would have had to have paid that gardener that money in any event, wouldn't you?
Yes,
To get such beautiful decking. The next part of your claim is what? £500. What's that for?
For the stress he's put me and my wife under.
It's not just because you feel upset about it, which you're entitled to. Understood.
Well, she wasn't upset, she was anger.
How angry are you talking on a scale of 1 to super rage?
Oh, 1,000.
And did that have an effect on you?
She took it out on me.
In what sense?
All my fault.
Now, Luke, this is very serious as far as you're concerned. You have a counterclaim. Your counterclaim is for how much?
£1,300, I think.
£1,325. And ostensibly what that represents is you claim that the post that they put up on Facebook was maliciously false.
It just never stopped. And
I want you to describe to me how bad it got and what happened.
within 2-3 days, I received 27 reviews on my page, which I can't use anymore, calling me a thief, a scumbag, how do I sleep, trading standards, you'll be on Road Traders.
Leaving aside, well, their posts, as in Phil and his wife, do you have the posts that they personally put up?
I don't even think they put any up.
Well, they certainly did. They certainly did, because that was part of your claim.
Oh, they didn't put any reviews specific, but they put posts like that up on my page and all over the internet.
See what it says there? I have an experience to share. I paid £800 for decking, and this is how I was left. Also a shed-based company called. That's a post from, listen to me, from Phil and his wife. That is true.
Yep.
They have reasonable belief to post that. It's fair comment.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
You'd agree with me. Did they post personally, Phil or his wife, listen to that, anything else horrible about you
There was a
personally?
couple more.
Did you or did your wife set up a site with his picture and name on it?
I didn't, but my wife doing all sorts on Facebook, I'm not sure.
Are there people who, in response to the site that's been created, have posted things about you personally and or about your skill as a tradesperson who know nothing about you and who have never met you?
Not on that page he created, but they have on my page.
What have you done in response to those people who have posted those things?
A couple people, I said, can I ask what work I've done for you? And they've said, for a family or friend, referring Phil.
Understood.
Yeah.
Well, sir, in due course, you may have to take them to court. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.